Google Drive is one of the most widely used cloud storage solutions, offering users the ability to store, share, and collaborate on files from anywhere. Like any tool, it has its strengths and weaknesses, and knowing these can help you decide if it's the right fit for your workflow. One of the biggest pros of Google Drive is accessibility. You can access your files from any device, desktop, mobile, or tablet, as long as you have an internet connection. This makes it perfect for remote work, students, or anyone who needs to collaborate on the go. Collaboration is another strong point. Google Drive integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, allowing multiple users to work on a file in real time. Version history tracks changes, so you can always revert to an earlier version if needed. Sharing files is simple, and you can set permissions to view, comment, or edit, giving you control over who has access. The powerful search feature and organization tools like folders, color coding, and starred files also make it easy to find and manage your documents. However, Google Drive does have some cons. Storage can be limited for free accounts, with just 15 gigabytes shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, which may require purchasing additional storage. Internet dependence is another drawback. While offline access is possible, many features require a stable connection. Privacy concerns can also arise, as your files are stored on Google servers, which may not meet every organization's data security policies. Lastly, managing a large number of shared files or collaborators can get confusing if proper organization and permissions aren't maintained. Despite these drawbacks, Google Drive remains a highly versatile and efficient tool for cloud storage, collaboration, and productivity. By understanding its pros and cons, you can maximize its strengths while mitigating potential limitations, making it a valuable part of your digital toolkit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on Google Drive, productivity tools, and ways to work smarter in the digital world.